The fear gauge jumped 12% in a single session to 18.77, and if that's real conviction and not a one-day twitch, tomorrow's chip earnings walk into a market that's finally scared again. I'm Max Sterling. This is your StockStory market ritual, for minutes, the numbers, and what they're hiding. So here's the question that decides the rest of the week: is this the semiconductor rout that actually sticks, or just another rotation head fake that gets bought back by Friday? Because the whole bull case since June has leaned on one narrow leg: big tech, capex, chips going up and dragging the indexes with them. Take that leg out, and you don't have a soft landing, you have a market held up by energy and a defensive shuffle. Who wins if the fear is right? The people who trimmed tech last week. Who loses? Everyone's still all in on the AI trade. Look at the tape. The S&P fell 1.01% to 7,457. The Nasdaq took the real damage, down 1.4% to 25,520. The Dow held up best, off just 0.77% to 52,146, the classic shape when the pain is concentrated in growth, not the whole economy. Under the hood it's cleaner still. Energy was the only real green, up 1.16%. Then the bleeders: technology down 1.09%, consumer discretionary off 1.62%, communication worst at 1.78%. Intuitive Surgical cratered 14.15% to $345. Cadence, a chip design name, dropped 9.47%. And Netflix plunged 7.26% to $68.95 on a guidance miss, dragging communication down with it. The winners were speculative fumes, Lucid up 13.93%, small biotech names popping double digits. That's not leadership. That's a lottery ticket while the blue chips bleed. Now let me keep score on myself, because that's the deal here. 2 calls came due. I said the VIX would close above 17 as tech's wobble got one more day of legs. It printed 18.77. That's a hit, and it aged well. But I also called for the VIX to close below 16 before week's end as complacency fed on itself. Dead wrong. Complacency didn't feed, it broke. That's a miss, and I'm owning it. Running tally stands at 9 to 12. I'm still underwater. I'm not going to dress that up. Here's my read. The sector rotation story we've tracked all week just stopped being a rotation and started looking like a repricing. For 6 sessions defensives quietly led while tech leaked. Today the VIX finally confirmed what the internals were whispering: fear is back, and it's coming for the crowded trade. I don't think you chase this lower, but I don't think you buy the dip blind either. What I'd actually watch: Google's capex guidance. If the AI spend story cracks on that call, 18.77 on the VIX is a floor, not a ceiling. So here's tomorrow's call, logged. With Google, Tesla, and AMD reporting into a jumpy tape, I think the VIX holds above 18 and technology finishes red again. The rotation isn't done. Logging it. Come back and grade me. Same time tomorrow. Subscribe so the ritual finds you.